हरे कृष्णा। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। The Supreme Personality of Godhead is conscious, and also all the living beings are also conscious. But living being is conscious of his particular body, whereas Supreme Lord is conscious of all the bodies. We are soul, we are Atma, and Supreme Lord is Paramatma, and He is living in the hearts of all the living beings, and thus He is aware of the desires, He is conscious of thinking, feeling, willing of a living entity, and He guides, He instructs the living being to fulfill his desire. So this living being has desires, and he determined to fulfill his desires, he acted, and thus he gets entangled into the action and reaction of his activities of karma, and because of this he has to transmigrate from one body to another. Soul transmigrates as we puts on clothes and take off old clothes. Similarly, soul transmigrate from one body to another, and life after life he suffers the result of his activities, he suffers the action and reaction of a karma. But this karma is not eternal. One can change the result of his previous activities by taking shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, by following the instruction of Supreme Lord. He can get rid of his previous activity, of the result of his impious acts, of his bad activities, and thus he can live life peacefully. So this Ishwar, Jeev, Prakriti, Kal and Karma, Supreme Lord, material nature, living being, time and karma, activity. So out of these four are eternal: Supreme Lord, living entity, material nature and time. These are eternal, and karma is not eternal. One can change his karma by taking shelter of a Supreme Personality of Godhead, by living life in sanity, in purity, in the mode of goodness, and thus he can get rid of his impious activities. He can get rid of the result of his previous activities.